Today, we will be making this very simple milking stool. So, first I'm going to start by measuring... I'm gonna start by measuring 13 inches. And then I'm going to carry that line across the whole surface of the wood and the edge of the wood so I can see if I'm sewing straight. So I'm using the last piece of wood to draw a line so that it's exactly the same as the last one, but doesn't need to be exactly the same because we're gonna turn it into a circle anyways. Next, I'm just gonna use my square to do the same thing right there, and then I'm gonna start sewing. Now I'm just gluing them together. We'll be back when it's dry. So I'm using a compass right now to draw a circle which we will cut out later. Meanwhile, let's take a pine 2x2 and mark 15 inches. And then we're gonna draw the line and draw the other line. I just wasn't able to get it on camera. So right now I'm gonna show you that you can also use a back saw if you want. I'm just trying to show you that any type of saw will work. So this is just a time lapse. Let's start the long process of making this a circle. So what we're gonna do is just making straight cuts to remove a lot of sides to make it look like a circle. And earlier I was just checking what type of handsaw can do it the fastest, but this one can. Then for the more finer cuts, I used my back saw and my Ryoba saw, but you can use any saw for everything. This is very tiring. Okay guys, it's about 30 minutes later and I'm almost done. Can't believe how long and how tiring this is. So right now, I marked a line for my 3 legs. And now I'm gonna use a 1-inch spade bit and this scrap block that I cut a 15-degree angle to guide it. Okay guys, as you saw, it's totally possible with a bit brace, but I'm not trying to cheat, okay? But I just want to show you that it's possible to use one of these drills too. And you know, they're not really that expensive and a lot of hand tool woodworkers still have just like that. So just allow me to drill all the holes with my bit brace because like that's what I promised in this series. So yeah, I'll show you when I'm back. So now that I've drilled the holes, I would recommend with a pencil labeling hole 1 with the wood 1 and hole 2 with the wood 2 and hole 3 with the wood 3. So I'm taking the top and using my pencil to mark using the hole. So next, I'm just making some shallow relief cuts so that when I start chiseling the wood, it doesn't go too deep. So right now, I'm just starting chiseling, just first, you can see me taking big chunks, then you can see me refining them and making them more round. And then after that, just slowly fit it. Make sure not to make the fit too tight or too loose. So right now, I'm just using my chisel to bevel it down. So over time, it gets tighter. After that, this is optional, but I'm using a spoke shave to round over the corners. But a spoke shave isn't a tool that I told you to get because, like I said, it's optional. You can try to use a chisel or you can just not round them over. Okay, after that, let us now fit our pieces together. So let's put one here. And let's put 3 here. And 2 here. So, once you put them together, you might not be that satisfied, but what you want to do is to twist them to whatever placement looks good. Yeah, so I like this, so that's what I'm gonna stick with. Next, mark your line so you can remember where it is. So right now, I'm just cutting hardwood wedges. And this is me cutting the hole for the wedge, but don't make it too deep. Okay, now it's time for assembly. First, I'm putting wood glue. Then I'm gonna stick it on. And first, I'm gonna do that to all 3 legs. Okay, so right now, I'm just putting in the hardwood wedges. If you don't have access to hardwood, then you can try to find them if you could buy them, but I've never seen anyone sell hardwood wedges for furniture. But if it's the last resort to use softwood wedges, even though they're not strong enough, then we have nothing to do about that. That's your only choice. But it won't be as strong and it would probably break. Okay guys, this is some behind the scenes. I'm editing right now while waiting for this to dry. And it's almost dry and it's pretty stable. For flush cutting, my first idea was to use paper, but as you can see in this video, that didn't really work out. Using masking tape actually works, but I don't have any masking tape, so I just had to cut the wood without any support. So there are scratches. Wait guys, I just thought that I never required you to get a good Ryoba saw. So if you want to do flush trimming and don't have a flush trim saw, what else is cheap, thin, and is flexible? A hacksaw. Just remove it from its frame. As you can see, this also works well. might even work better. Any type of finish would be nice, but in this case, I am using lacquer. But maybe you can use an oil finish like maybe boiled linseed oil, or you can go for polyurethane finishes. But for this one, I'm using lacquer. I hope you enjoy our project, guys. And I hope you subscribe. Bye!